Are you one of those who think, because nga lumang tao ka, lumang tao tayo dito dalawa, but because you had to go through all of these things to perfect your craft, and then here comes, the newer generation can get it at an instant. Is there a part of you that thinks, parang ano ba naman, parang they can't do it. They have to go through exactly what I went through. Are you of that thinking or no?
No, not at all. Kasi parang they are provided these tools and parang we laid the groundwork for them also So parang for me, ano sila talagang digital natives sila, and they're surrounded by so much content. They consume so much content. So ang dami nilang pwedeng pagpilian. For me, I think ang kailangan lang pagtuunan ng pansin is to make sure that they understand na hindi siya panghabang buhay. So, at an early age, kailangan isipin nyo na rin yung business side nung pagiging makeup artist.